A pharmaceutical production line in Egypt, something that's becoming an uncommon sight these days. Pharmaceutical companies working in the country depend on imports of raw materials for almost 60% of their production. But the decline of the Egyptian pound against the US dollar has made such imports expensive. Coupled with the recent price cap on drugs, it has become almost impossible for pharmaceutical companies to continue production.
We are suffering from a shortage of medicine in the kidney unit and generally in the whole hospital. And recently, we have been forced to pay roughly twice as much on the black market due to lack of supply through the normal channels.
Not only is a severe drug shortage putting patients' lives at risk, it's also forced some hospitals to shut down.
I am afraid of being rejected as a patient in the dialysis center, since they said that the center will be closed soon. And when I went to Matarea Hospital, they said that they're suffering from a lack of filters and the hospital will only receive emergencies. What should I do as a patient?
Egypt recently took what many economists say is the necessary step of floating its pound and cutting fuel subsidies as it sealed a $12 billion loan with the International Monetary Fund. With salaries remaining largely the same, nearly everyone in the already impoverished country effectively has had a sudden, large pay cut. Maria Galang, CCTV.